Hello chess lovers, I have a very crazy game for you played at the 4th titled Lichess arena, with the white pieces playing a national master who was playing under a nickname TwelveTeen rated 2644, and on the black side is playing the reigning world chess champion Magnus Carlsen, who as you know is playing under a nickname DrDrunkenstein. At the moment of this game his rating was 2936. This was a bullet game and TwelveTeen started with g3. White goes for King's Fianchetto opening, or this is also called Hungarian opening, a very flexible move, and by g3 it's always possible to transpose into almost any other opening in which white fianchettos his king's bishop. A very normal move, but Carlsen's answer was just insane. h5. This is known as Lasker Simul special variation. By playing h5, Carlsen is intending to push the pawn forward once again, and let's have a look what Carlsen has in his mind. Bishop g2, here comes h4, g4, but this pawn is just unstoppable and Carlsen plays h3, sacrificing the pawn. By sacrificing the pawn, Carlsen is gaining control over the h file. On the other hand, in a bullet game, this can be a very nice trick. If white pre-moves, then can lose the bishop and the game is over. Knight takes h3, d5. Now the pawn on g4 is under attack. We see f3, which of course looks a bit passive. Now comes e5. Instantly, Carlsen is grabbing the initiative in the center of the board. Knight f2. Knight c6, h3. Well, instead of developing his pieces, white is making too many moves with his pawns. And in return, of course, Carlsen develops his pieces. Bishop e6. Now comes e3, queen d7. This time b3 with the intention of fianchetto the bishop. And Carlsen castles queenside. Bishop b2, and there it goes, d4. Already Dr. Drunkenstein is trying to create some problems for TwelveTeen. Queen e2, knight e7 and a3. Well, instead of playing a3, it was better to play knight a3 and prepare castling queenside, but instead we see a3, probably with the intentions of acting against knight b4. Knight g6, knight e4, bishop e7, developing the last piece, a4. White is making too many moves with his pawns. This time white is playing a4, probably trying to solve the problem of this knight finally, but of course white is losing too much time. And now the pawn is no longer controlling the b4 square, and Carlsen plays knight b4 with a threat of knight takes c2. Knight a3. But now comes d3, and this is becoming more and more dangerous. Now if c takes d3, then simply knight takes d3 fork is winning the bishop. That's why we see queen d1, but now Carlsen is simply capturing on c2, and believe it or not, but in this position TwelveTeen resigned. If knight takes c2, then again knight d3 is coming, followed by knight takes b2, and it's over. A very crazy game, I think. Once again, with this insane variation, Magnus Carlsen is showing his high class, beating a pretty high rated player with such an ease. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your comments. Good luck.